Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi USB adapter for your PC. First, locate an available USB port on your computer and firmly insert the adapter. For the best performance, especially with newer adapters, consider using a USB 3.0 port if your computer has one. If your adapter came with an external antenna, make sure to screw it in tightly to ensure good signal reception. Next, your computer needs the correct drivers to communicate with the adapter. Often, Windows will automatically detect and install these drivers for you. If not, check for an installation CD that came with your adapter, or visit the manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers. You can also open Device Manager, find your adapter under Network Adapters, and choose to update the driver software manually. Once the drivers are installed, connecting to Wi-Fi is simple. Look for the Wi-Fi icon in your computer's system tray, usually in the bottom right corner. Click it to see a list of all available wireless networks. Select your home network from this list, then click the Connect button. You will then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the security key, to establish the connection. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues. If your adapter isn't working, try unplugging it and reinserting it into a different USB port. Always keep your adapter's drivers updated by checking the manufacturer's website for the newest versions, as this can significantly improve performance and stability. For the best signal strength, place your adapter where it has a clear line of sight to your wireless router, avoiding obstructions like walls or large metal objects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.